Hey foodies! Let me introduce you to dakgangjeong, one of Korea's most beloved street foods. Unlike regular fried chicken, dakgangjeong is bite-sized, double-fried for extra crunch, and coated in a sweet, sticky, and slightly spicy sauce. It's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the flavor is simply addictive. This snack is super popular as a street food, but it also makes for an amazing beer companion. Trust me, it's the perfect pairing. If you're in Korea, don't miss out on trying dakgangjeong. It's a must-try for anyone who loves a little kick with their chicken.